Hello students, today we are going to continue our lesson The Pillars of Democracy by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Okay, and we know that Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar has emphasis on the values of liberty, equality and fraternity. In last passage we discuss about the fraternity, and fraternity is it is very difficult to achieve this thing, and how difficult it was. For that he want to tell a story by James Bryce in his Value of American Commonwealth, and the story is like that. On page number 38, the story is, I propose to recount it in the words of Bryce himself, that Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar wanted to tell the story in the words of Bryce himself, and that's why the whole passage is given in double inverted comma. Now look at the story. The story is that some years ago, American Protestant Episcopal Church was occupied at its triennial convention in revising its liturgy. Triennial, it means the 300th anniversary, Vardhapan Din, and convention, it means a large formal meeting of an organization. An organization is that American Protestant Episcopal Church. Okay, in that church, some years ago, in that church, the meeting was large formal meeting was arranged by the church in the celebration of their 300th anniversary, and in that meeting they have to revise its liturgy, that is public worship, which is given here, public worship. Okay, it means American Protestant Episcopal Church, in that meeting, they want to revise, they want to rewrite their public worship. Okay, it was thought desirable to introduce among the short sentence prayers a prayer for the whole people, and an eminent New England divine proposed the words, "O Lord, bless our nation." Okay, in that meeting, or in that formal meeting, or in that convention, New England famous, eminent it means famous. ओके, जो न्यू इंग्लैंड डिवाइन था, प्रिस्ट जिसे कहेंगे, ही हैज़ प्रपोजल टू यूज द वर्ड्स ओ लॉर्ड ब्लेस अवर नेशन among the short sentences prayer for common people. Okay, it means it was thought desirable to introduce among the short sentences prayer a prayer for whole people, and an eminent New England divine proposed the words, "O Lord, bless our nation." In that meeting, the proposal was proposed by the famous New England divine, it means priest, Dharmaguru. Proposed the words are, "O Lord, bless our nation." Why? Because it was the proposal of that priest. They have to introduce among the short sentences prayer a prayer for common people. They have to rewrite a prayer for common people among the short sentences prayer. जो उनकी प्रेयर थी उसमें वो एक कॉमन पीपल के लिए या पब्लिक वर्शिप के लिए एक प्रेयर बनाना चाहते थे, और द प्रपोजल वाज बाय न्यू इंग्लैंड डिवाइन इट मीन्स प्रिस्ट. तो ये जो न्यू इंग्लैंड डिवाइन थे, जो धर्मगुरु थे, उन्होंने फिर वर्ड्स सजेस्ट किए, और वर्ड्स थे, "ओ लॉर्ड ब्लेस अवर नेशन." ओके, and accepted one afternoon on the spur of moment. You have to write the meaning of this. Okay, on the spur of moment, it means without planning, without instantly जिसे कहेंगे, instantly, without any planning, in advance. Okay, when the New England divine proposed the words, "O Lord, bless our nation," this proposal was accepted by the people without any planning, on the spur of moment, without any planning, or instantly at that afternoon. But what happened? But the sentence was brought up next day for the reconsideration. The sentence which is accepted at that afternoon, the sentence was again brought up next day for the reconsideration. Why? When so many objections were raised by the laity to the word nation. Okay, laity it means members of religious community. मीनिंग इज गिवन. जो मेंबर्स थे वो कम्युनिटी के, रिलीजियस कम्युनिटी के जो मेंबर्स थे, दे हैव एन ऑब्जेक्शन ऑन द वर्ड दैट इज नेशन, एंड अ नेशन वर्ड इज यूज्ड इन द सेंटेंस proposed by divine, New England divine, and the words are, "O Lord, bless our nation." This sentence is accepted by the people at that time, at that afternoon, when they were together for celebration of triennial convention. Okay, but at next day, uh, the sentence was brought up for reconsideration, because there are many objections raised by that religious community, member of that religious community, and their objection is on the word nation as importing it means expressing, as importing to define the recognition of national unity. Okay, that word nation, this is the word, and this word expressing the meaning of national unity, that it was dropped, and that's why the word nation is dropped, and instead of the word nation, the word is adapted, that is United States, and the sentence become, oh Lord bless this United States. आया समझ में? तो क्या हुआ कि जो अमेरिकन प्रोटेस्टेंट एपिस्कोपल चर्च थी, उस चर्च में वर्धापन दिन के निमित्त एक अधिवेशन था, जिसमें उन्होंने एक प्रेयर रीराइट करनी थी जो कॉमन पीपल के लिए हो, और उस प्रेयर में शॉर्ट सेंटेंस प्रपोज किया था न्यू इंग्लैंड डिवाइन ने कि ओ लॉर्ड ब्लेस अवर नेशन, ये वो सेंटेंस था which is accepted by at that which is accepted at that afternoon, but on next day the sentence was brought for reconsideration, because there are many objections raised by the members of the religious community, and their objection is on the word that is nation, which express definition recognition of national unity, and that's why they dropped that word nation, and instead of the word nation they adopted word United States, and the word and the sentence is, oh Lord bless this United States. आया समझ में? Okay. Next, there was so little solidarity in the USA at the time when the incident occurred, that people of America did not think that they were nation. Okay, there was so little solidarity, you know that very well, in USA. It means in USA there was no unity among the people at that time when the sentence was proposed, and when this incident occurred, that people of America did not think that they were nation. When the sentence is used by the priest, the people of America did not think that they were nation, and that's why they have an objection on the word nation, and they use word United States. Okay, if the people of if the people of a United States could not feel that they were nation, how difficult it is for Indians to think that they are nation. Okay, United State of people, people of United State does not understand the meaning of nation. They are not ready to accept the word that is nation, because they could not feel that they were nation. And if we think about India, it is very difficult for Indians to think that they are nation. अमेरिका जैसे अमेरिका जैसे देश के लोगों को नेशन ये वर्ड समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, और आर they did not think that they were nation. And then think about India, it is very difficult for Indians to think they are nation. I remember the days when politically minded Indians resented the expression. Resented, it means disliked. Okay, I remember the days. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar said that he remembered the days when politically minded Indians resented, it means disliked the expression the people of India. They prefer to expression the Indian nation. Okay, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar said that he remembered the days when politically minded, it means politician Indians dislike the expression. They dislike the expression that the politically minded Indians resented the expression the people of India. Okay, they did not like the word the people of India. They prefer to use the words they prefer to use the words that Indian nation. ओके, पीपल ऑफ इंडिया ऐसा नहीं कहते थे पॉलिटिशियन, तो वो उस जगह पे कौन सा वर्ड यूज किया करते थे? इंडियन नेशन, भारत देश या भारत राष्ट्र. ओके, आई एम ओपिनियन दैट in believing that we are a nation, we are cherishing a great delusion. आई एम ओपिनियन, ये डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब का ओपिनियन था कि दैट इन बिलीविंग दैट वी आर नेशन, वी आर चेरिशिंग अ ग्रेट इंडल्शन. Indulsion, it means mistaken, or mistaken idea or opinion. Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar think that it was very mistaken thought or opinion which is cherished in our mind that we are nation. Okay. समझ में आया क्या कि डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर का ये मत था या उनका ये ओपिनियन था कि जो वो अभिव्यक्ति कर रहे थे, मतलब जिसे कहेंगे कि जो उनका एक अपना मत था, उन्हें ऐसा लगता था कि हम एक राष्ट्र है, ऐसा मानना जो हमारे मन में जो चेरिश किया गया है, एक बहुत बड़ा भ्रम है या गैर समझ है. ओके. इंडल्शन इट मीन्स जिसे कहेंगे कि मिस्टेकन आइडिया, गैर समझ जिसे कहेंगे. तो ये बाबा साहेब आम्बेडकर का एक ओपिनियन था कि वी आर नेशन, ये जो सेंटेंस है दैट इज वी आर चेरिशिंग अ ग्रेट इंडल्शन. ओके. यहाँ पे हम रुकेंगे.